Success about YouTube can mean different things to different people. Some may define it by the number of views, subscribers, likes, or comments they get on their videos. Others may measure it by the revenue they earn from ads, sponsorships, or merchandise. And some may simply enjoy creating and sharing content that they are passionate about, regardless of the metrics. There is no one formula for achieving YouTube success, but there are some general tips and best practices that can help you along the way. Here are some of them. Find your niche and target audience. YouTube is a crowded and competitive platform, so you need to stand out from the crowd by offering something unique, valuable, or entertaining to your viewers. Think about what you are good at, what you are interested in, and what problems you can solve or questions you can answer for your audience. Then, research the existing content and channels in your niche and see how you can differentiate yourself from them. Plan and produce high-quality content. Content is king on YouTube, so you need to invest time and effort into planning, producing, and editing your video. Make sure your content is relevant, engaging, and consistent with your niche and brand. Use a good camera, microphone, lighting, and editing software to ensure your videos look and sound professional. Upload and promote your videos regularly. To grow your YouTube channel, you need to upload and promote your videos on a regular basis. This will help you build a loyal fan base, increase your watch time, and improve your ranking in the YouTube algorithm. Aim for at least one video per week, and schedule your uploads at the best time for your audience. Promote your videos on your social media accounts, blog, website, email list, or other platforms where your potential viewers are. Encourage your viewers to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your channel. Engage with your community and collaborate with others. YouTube is not only a video platform, but also a social network. You need to interact with your viewers, respond to their comments and feedback, and show your appreciation for their support. You can also create polls, Q&A sessions, live streams, giveaways, or contests to increase your engagement and retention. Another way to grow your YouTube channel is to collaborate with other creators in your niche or related niches. This will help you reach new audiences, cross-promote your channels, and create more value for your viewers. Analyze your performance and improve your strategy. YouTube provides various tools and analytics to help you monitor and measure your channel's performance. You can use them to track your views, watch time, subscribers, revenue, audience retention, demographics, and more. These are some of the basic steps you can take to achieve success on YouTube. However, you should also remember that YouTube success is not something that happens overnight. It takes patience, persistence, and passion to create and grow a successful YouTube channel. You should also enjoy the process and have fun with your content, as that will reflect on your videos and your viewers. Good luck with your YouTube journey.